The latest version of Aventador is not only powerful, it is the most powerful Aventador ever made. With the highest performing standard production naturally aspirated V12 engine in Lamborghini history, it incorporates advanced technological solutions and unparalleled design. This gem, to be produced in only 350 units, is the final, and greatest, expression of a family of super sports cars that has left its mark on the last decade. Aventador LP 780-4 Ultimae is already a classic transformed into an icon. In the spirit of the first Aventador, with its rear longitudinal engine position and extensive use of carbon fiber, the Ultimae shows off a look featuring pure and essential lines. The livery, developed specifically by Lamborghini Centro Style, celebrates the peak of Aventador production with a harmonious balance of shapes, accentuated by a use of light and shade between the black and painted parts. Embracing form and a sporting essence, the new model is a style icon that has no fear of the passage of time. Exclusivity and sophistication distinguish the interior of this latest masterpiece of the Aventador range. Premium yet practical materials like carbon fiber are employed for the most important finishes, while Alcantara-registered trademark upholstery, laser cut with a Y motif to let the colorful backing peek through, give the luxurious passenger compartment a distinctive touch. These refined fittings are embellished with a carbon fiber plate displaying the number of units of this limited series. A range of brand new ad-Brisonum combinations further enhances the Aventador LP 780-4 Ultimae. Driving dynamics, 4 steering wheels. In the new Aventador LP 780-4 Ultimae, the exceptional combination between the active steering system Lamborghini dynamic steering and the rear steering system Lamborghini rear-wheel steering delivers dynamic performance that enhances agility at low speed while optimizing control and stability at high speed. 4 active suspension. With its magnetorheological front and rear shock absorbers and pushrod suspension system, able to adapt the car's dynamic behavior to the road conditions and selected driving mode, the Aventador LP 780-4 Ultimae delivers extraordinary response in every dynamic condition. 4-wheel drive optimized to work specifically with the new active systems on board, rear-wheel steering in particular. The all-wheel drive system ensures high performance and driving pleasure in poor grip situations. 4 driving modes. Driving conditions have little bearing on performance, pleasure and safety. The new dynamic mode selector of the Aventador LP 780-4 Ultimae ensures full control. Engine, gearbox, traction, steering, suspension and stability control can be optimally adjusted by choosing between Strada, Sport and Corsa. Engine. The heart of the Aventador LP 780-4 Ultimae is the most powerful standard production naturally aspirated V12-inch Lamborghini history. Gearbox. With the ISR independent shifting rods gearbox, the Aventador LP 780-4 Ultimae ensures lightning-quick gear shifts capable of arousing intense sensations.
Thank you.